and girls. How is everybody today?
Good.
Today, we'll be studying multiplication. So come on, everybody. Let's gather around the computer. We're going to review the basics of learning how to multiply. First, we're all going to say the multiplication problems when they appear on the computer screen. Then, we'll all say our answers together. Later on, we're going to take a little test just to see how well we're doing. And a reminder before we begin. We're going to go through the multiplication tables 1 through 12 over and over again. If you need to, you can use the pause button on your machine whenever you need more time to answer. Okay, boys and girls, now let's begin.
0 times 1 equals 0. 0 times 2 equals 0. 0 times 3 equals 0. 0 times 4 equals 0. 0 times 5 equals 0. 0 times 6 equals 0. 0 times 7 equals 0. 0 times 8 equals 0. 0 times 9 equals 0. 0 times 10 equals 0. 1 times 0 equals 0. 1 times 1 equals 1. 1 times 2 equals 2. 1 times 3 equals 3. 1 times 4 equals 4. 1 times 5 equals 5. 1 times 6 equals 6. 1 times 7 equals 7. 1 times 8 equals 8. 1 times 9 equals 9. 1 times 10 equals 10. 2 times 0 equals 0. 2 times 1 equals 2. 2 times 2 equals 4. 2 times 3 equals 6. 2 times 4 equals 8. 2 times 5 equals 10. 2 times 6 equals 12. 2 times 7 equals 14. 2 times 8 equals 16. 2 times 9 equals 18. 2 times 10 equals 20. Three times 0 equals 0. 3 times 1 equals 3. 3 times 2 equals 6. 3 times 3 equals 9. 3 times 4 equals 12. 3 times 5 equals 15. 3 times 6 equals 18. 3 times 7 equals 21. 3 times 8 equals 24. 3 times 9 equals 27. 3 times 10 equals 30. 4 times 0 equals 0. 4 times 2 equals 8. 4 times 3 equals 12. 4 times 4 equals 16. 4 times 5 equals 20. 4 times 6 equals 24. 4 times 7 equals 28. 4 times 8 equals 32. 4 times 9 equals 36. 4 times 10 equals 40. 5 times 0 equals 0. 5 times 1 equals 5. 5 times 2 equals 10. 5 times 3 equals 15. 5 times 4 equals 20. 5 times 5 equals 25. 5 times 6 equals 30. 5 times 7 equals 35. 5 times 8 equals 40. 5 times 9 equals 45. 5 times 10 equals 50. 6 times 0 equals 0. 6 times 1 equals 6. 6 times 2 equals 12. 6 times 3 equals 18. 6 times 4 equals 24. 6 times 5 equals 30. 6 times 6 equals 36. 6 times 7 equals 42. 6 times 8 equals 48. 6 times 9 equals 54. 6 times 10 equals 60. 7 times 0 equals 0. 7 times 1 equals 7. 7 times 2 equals 14. 7 times 3 equals 21. 7 times 4 equals 28. 7 times 5 equals 35. 7 times 6 equals 42. 7 times 7 equals 49. 7 times 8 equals 56. 7 times 9 equals 63. 7 times 10 equals 70. 8 times 0 equals 0. 8 times 1 equals 8. 8 times 2 equals 16. 8 times 3 equals 24. 8 times 4 equals 32. 8 times 5 equals 40. 8 times 6 equals 48. 8 times 7 equals 56. 8 times 8 equals 64. 8 times 9 equals 72. 8 times 10 equals 80. 9 times 0 equals 0. 9 times 1 equals 9. 9 times 2 equals 18. 9 times 3 equals 27. 9 times 4 equals 36. 9 times 5 equals 45. 9 times 6 equals 54. 9 times 7 equals 63. 9 times 8 equals 72. 9 times 9 equals 81. 9 times 10 equals 90. 10 times 0 equals 0. 10 times 1 equals 10. 10 times 2 equals 20. 10 times 3 equals 30. 10 times 4 equals 40. 10 times 5 equals 50. 10 times 6 equals 60. 10 times 7 equals 70. 10 times 8 equals 80. 10 times 9 equals 90. 10 times 10 equals 100.
Okay, boys and girls, now let's see how much we've learned. We're going to have a little competition. First, we're going to say the multiplication problems when they appear on the screen. Only this time, we're going to write our answers down on a piece of paper and then compare them with the computers. Let's see if we can get them all right.
1 times 1. 1 times 2. 1 times 3. 1 times 4. 1 times 5. 1 times 6. 1 times 7. 1 times 8. 1 times 9. 1 times 10. 2 times 0. 2 times 1. 2 times 2. 2 times 3. 2 times 4. 2 times 5. 2 times 6. 2 times 7. 2 times 8. 2 times 9. 2 times 10. 3 times 0. 3 times 1. 3 times 2. 3 times 3. 3 times 4. 3 times 5. 3 times 6. 3 times 7. 3 times 8. 3 times 9. 3 times 10. 4 times 0. 4 4 times 1. 4 times 2. 4 times 3. 4 times 4. 4 times 5. 4 times 6. 4 times 7. 4 times 8. 4 times 9. 4 times 10. 5 times 0. 5 times 1. 5 times 2. 5 times 3. 5 times 4. 5 times 5. 5 times 6. 6 times 5. 6 times 6. 6 times 7. 6 times 8. 6 times 9. 6 times 10. 7 times 0. 7 times 1. 7 times 2. 7 times 3. 7 times 4. 7 times 5. 7 times 6. 7 times 7. 7 times 8. 8 times 7. 8 times 8. 8 times 9. 9 times 8. 9 10 times 10.
Well, boys and girls, I hope you've all learned something today. And remember to practice your multiplication tables a little each day. You can use this video cassette to study by yourself, with your family, or with your friends. And remember, have fun while learning to multiply.